Let's see ASCII encoding with Python encode package. Let's take a sample text. My name is Shiv. Now to encode this, we will write it as my encoding is equal to txt.encode. In bracket, we will mention the encoding type as ASCII. The default is UTF-8. We will write it here. The default is UTF-8 encoding. We don't need to handle any error as it is encodable by ASCII. Let's print it. Now let's take another example of txt2, which is A with acute. This is not encodable by ASCII, and we also need to handle error in this case. ASCII cannot encode this, so we need to handle error, and there are mainly 5 types of error handling. The types of error are backslash, ignore, name replace, replace, and XML charf replace. Let's take in for loop for I in type of errors. txt2.encode. We will mention the encoding as ASCII and error is equal to I, and I value will change one by one as given in the list of type of errors. We will also print it. So we have got our output.